1st of May, we've just started working on the terrace. We are going to deck the front terrace and the Zen garden as well. Look at me, I'm with the tripod. I'm just trying to film as steady as I can. And I just wanted to use it so I can chat with you guys a little bit. So this is what's going on over here. Dorian Popa, după cum ți-am spus, fii atent că vin cu vlogurile de construcții, la case, la cabane, la terase. We're just going to sit over here and have a chat about some updates we are doing in the home. Just wait a little bit because my phone is ringing. So I'm just out on the terrace. I can hear the crickets. It feels so summery. Hi and welcome back to my YouTube. I just wanted to somehow keep you updated with what we are working on, with the house and everything going on. We are trying to get everything in order this summer until fall, so it's going to be a bumpy ride. I just wanted to welcome you along here on my YouTube. It's the 1st of May. Today we've just started working on our front terrace. After this we're going to also start working on the Zen terrace, which is the one in the back from our bedroom. Now I know the initial house tour didn't give you much thrill. Many of you guys were like, oh, the previous apartment was so much nicer. Well, that is because I was in a rush to do everything before we left to Asia Express, and I just wanted to have like new English content for you guys going on YouTube, and I was in a rush, as I said, so not everything was ready, of course. The place kind of looked empty, and if you're going to see the home tour, we had many faults in the video, which I am aware of course, but I am planning to do an updated home tour as soon as possible, maybe this summer. In the end of summer, who knows, and we're just getting everything ready for that special moment. And of course we are getting everything ready for ourselves, because when you have this perfect place, you worked a lot to get it done, and you know you've been to blood, sweat and tears to just get where you are right now. It's just super important to enjoy the moment, and then it's important to just enjoy the process as well. So this is what I'm trying to do right now and create some memories, of course. This is how the terrace looks right now. Now, before we started the renovation, and we have this wooden floor on the terrace right now. We're going to do a paint job as well. Everything is going to be a vintage off-white, let's say. But it also looks kind of nice with this kind of olive green, desaturated green that works really well with the shades in our house. Everything is kind of green, but I really wanted this space to be white and bright and work like an enhancer for every damn photo, because you know, if you have a white space, it's going to look so much brighter and nicer in the photo. So we are planning to get a few plants, and I've been asking for some offers left and right, and I found out that the actual breed of palm trees I wanted, it's not okay for the terrace, so I'm just going to, you know, change everything. So we're trying to find something that's going to look exotic and nice, maybe some really old plants, like at least 2 meters height, and something we can also accommodate in our home during winter time. So this is the main update I wanted to do. We also started ordering some outdoor furniture from Vivre. Now I think you guys already know this lounger, this cuddler love seat I have from Vivre. I'm just going to pop an image right here with it so you can see it. You've been asking me about it a lot. Now this is probably a super good investment. This is one of my favorite sites for furniture and everything, just literally everything you need in your home. They have, I wanted to say house, why did I say home? Anyhow, they have, I think, up to 80% discount and sales these days, because they are celebrating 8 years on the market, so make sure you check out their site. I don't think I have another item in our home that has been used as much as the color has been used since we have it. So kind of a chaise longue is the same in English as in Romanian, chaise longue, and it is like the perfect love nest for two persons. You can also lay it flat. You can also use it as a sleeping bed if you must, because it has a stick mattress. And of course you can just use it just like so in different angles and positions to just, you know, enjoy the sun, enjoy your day on the terrace and do whatever you want. So very good investment, this one over here. Thinking about getting a new one. I can already see myself here on the terrace with Carmen, with Carla, with Shay, everybody from the office, Puffy, Luci, Teo, just staying out here and just enjoying the sun and just having some lemonade and getting a suntan, and we're just in our infused swimwear and just having a good time. So yeah, that's why I've been thinking maybe we should get like another one to have two. For right now, one is just enough. This is the terrace where I do my sport, and I just see this terrace as our everyday terrace. So every once in a while maybe we can get a table outside with the chairs and everything. We also ordered new chairs, can't wait for them to arrive, and just dine on the terrace and so on. But I want it to have something that's really transformative in a way, so you can just do whatever you want. You know, I'm a Gemini, I'm just going to change things around a lot. Trust me. Guys, I cannot tell you how happy I am with this wood over here. It just smells like you are at the mountains. We have crickets going on in the background. It's actually summer. It's 1st of May. I wish you're going to have a beautiful, beautiful night. And I honestly can't wait to share all the news with you guys and just show you the new and updated tour. But maybe we're going to do separate things, who knows. Let me know if you're interested in seeing more detailed tours of maybe the dressing or the kitchen or everything in between, up until we're going to have the actual big apartment slash house, how do I call it, anyhow, apartment tour, let's just say, because we don't have an actual yard and stuff like that. So yeah, I just hope you're going to have a wonderful night. Enjoy the content we're having online. The very next video we're going to post and film next week is going to be about Asia Express, of course in English, in the fashion series. It's going to be about everything you wanted to know about our looks in Asia Express. I prepared something so cute inside. I'm just going to show you a preview. We have almost everything we wore in Asia Express on the stand right there inside, and we're just going to talk about them in the fashion series. We have over here the Asia Express video preps, let's say, with everything. This is not everything, but almost everything I wore in Asia Express, and we're going to have a special episode on that. And right now I just have to get into the dressing, just like so. Yep. Bye. I've also asked Puffy to send along some of the stuff I had in Bucharest, like the backpack, the big backpack with some sneakers I left over there and some envelopes and stuff. And so if you have some questions regarding fashion in Asia Express and how we dressed and how we composed our looks and so on, I'm sure you're going to love this video. Make sure you comment below and let me know which are your questions. And yeah, hopefully I'm going to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the button over there, hit the bells, hit everything, so you can just, you know, get a special notification on your phone whenever we have a new video on YouTube. As you've seen already, I'm doing so much more content for YouTube. I'm super happy to be even more active here on YouTube, because I feel like videos in general are such a good way to express yourself, and I can just I mean, I love to talk. What am I talking about? But videos express so much more than a picture, so much more than a few words written down. So yeah, I guess I started from a blog, but I had to evolve with the whole situation and the whole social media thing. Started from the bottom, now we're here. This is, I think, very important to be versatile and just be up to date with everything. So if video is what you guys fancy these days is going to be video. I'm never going to forget about my writing passion, of course, but yeah, more video content for you guys. And in the end, I just wanted to give you some quick life updates on what's been going on in our lives. Something super important, you guys, I think you already know about Retro Future. This is a perpetual mood board, a new project, an online, a new profile. I started on Instagram, an inspirational thing. This is a mood board that never stops. You can see whatever goes on in my mind all the time on Retro Future Babe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. We are working on developing a company with this brand in our mind, of course, and it's been such a long process, and I can't wait to be able to share with you more. Yesterday we just signed, I think hopefully the last few papers we had. Hello, Pixel. Let me show you the cat. This is how YouTubers do it, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, I want to squeeze you. So yeah, it was a bumpy ride up until now. It is a crazy ride because we did have the whole problem with the virus and everything, and of course isolation just hit everyone hard, and with every business and everything, so we just couldn't move a finger, so we were stuck. And I prefer to be like so and just make sure that everything is going to be impeccable when we're going to launch. But for now, just go on retrofuturebabe.com and sign up to be the first to know. And honestly, I can't wait to share with you guys more. I'm 100% sure I'm going to be able to share more with you pretty soon. So make sure you subscribe and stay here on YouTube. Just going to enjoy what's left of this night on the terrace. Trying to find my husband. He's around here somewhere looking for some ivy, as I said in the beginning of the video, and I'll see you soon.